Good morning, my adventurous viewers. We are here at the NCAR Mesa Trailhead. I think we are going for South Boulder Peak and Bear Peak. Elevation gains around 2,700 feet. It's a beautiful day out. Parking lot is empty. Parking is not an issue right now because it's 5:30 in the morning. And we're gonna get some exercise in today in the beautiful town of Boulder, beautiful mountains of Boulder. See you on the trail. Trail's kind of muddy. There's a bunch of rain yesterday. Trail's extremely muddy. Just got like 5 pounds on my shoes. Looks like a water reservoir up here. Bunch of writing on it. That's awesome. We're taking that NCAR trail to the Mesa Trail. Now we want to take the NCAR trail. Wildflowers are starting to bloom out here. Maybe in a couple weeks they'll probably be popping up everywhere. Here at the Mesa Trail sign, we're going to want to take a left. It's been a long time since I've seen a trail that's so green. Spring is in full bloom right now. This is just amazing. Love the colors. Very humid in here right now. Everything's wet. Feels really nice though. It's not too cold. No wind right now. Lots of tree cover. Sun's just starting to come up. Hummingbirds are just flying around everywhere. Hear them buzzing by. Once you get to the wider part of the road, you're going to want to keep on the Mesa Trail. All right, here we are at our first photographic opportunity. I'm going to get down in there in this creek and just get this small stream right here. Whenever I go out hiking, 3 of the things I always bring with me, camera gear wise, is my camera and lens, wide angle lens, tripod, and a neutral density filter, because you never know when you're going to come across a beautiful stream. We're here at another split. Emily, which way? Up would be to the left, right? Straight would be that way. We go to the left, guys. We've been passing by a lot of these things. If anyone knows what they are, please leave a comment in the comment section. I would love to know. Once you get to the Fern Canyon trail, you're gonna want to go up. Y'all, the conditions right now are just very rainforesty feeling, as everything's still soaking wet. Birds are singing their butts off. There's no traffic noise, no automobiles, no planes. Very serene right now. And again, this greenery is just killing me. It's amazing. Crazy wildflowers going on right here. getting hot out here. We're here at the Nebelhorn turnoff, but unfortunately it is closed for raptor nesting. So we are just gonna make our way up to Bear Peak. I think we're getting up into the mountain now. It's pretty steep, very rocky. This is the kind of stuff I love. This is the butt burner. This is the workout right here. This is one of the many reasons why we hike. Oh, I had to use my hand. Class 2 scramble right there.
Said you love switchback.
You damn right I do. We've been going slow and steady here for about 10 minutes. Maybe longer, feels longer. But I think we're getting close to the top of Bear Peak. Just gotta keep moving. It's nothing too crazy, but definitely enough to get me out of breath. Should be there shortly. Lots of boulder hopping right here. And back to the trail. So here we go, on our way up to Bear Peak. This Memorial Day weekend has a unintentional theme, as we just did Grizzly Peak Saturday. Go check that video out if you haven't already. And now we're here at Bear Peak. That's something you don't see every weekend. What's up, guys? Alright guys, we just got down from the summit of Bear Peak. It's a beautiful day out. We're gonna head back to the trail. We just wanted to get in a quick hike today. We gotta stay fresh, keep our legs fresh, because in 2 days we will be back in Rocky Mountain National Park. Can't wait. Gonna make some dope videos, get some dope footage. It's gonna be great. Gotta be in tip-top shape for that. So stay tuned for those videos, which will probably be out before this one. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Hit that comment button if you have current trail conditions on Bear Peak or have been here before and want to share your experience. until the next hike, catch y'all around.